welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be drawing a George pig. This is how it looks like. So the materials we will need is a permanent marker, and then we'll need a thin Sharpie just in case you need it, and then we'll need a blue for the shirt, a dark pink, or you need two shades of pink, a light pink and a darker pink. The darker pink will be for its George Pig's cheeks. And let's just get to the video. So first we're gonna take out our pencil, and then we are gonna be drawing like a circle. And then we're gonna need to draw like the nose. So it's gonna start from here. And then we're gonna make it go like out, and it needs to be sort of like curved. And then and in the middle, you'll have to make like it come out, like so it comes in here. And then we'll have to draw the nose. So just draw like an oval and draw two circles inside. And then we can erase this part or else George is gonna look weird. So you're gonna erase it. You're gonna erase the line. And then you can still see like little bits, like parts of the line. And then you're just gonna wanna draw one of your eyes here on the line. So it's like that. And we're gonna need to draw another one here. Well, this one looks a little bit small. We don't want that, so. Okay, so now we have to draw the smaller circles inside. Oh my God, that's like so big. Okay, and then we're gonna color that in with the Sharpie. So we're gonna want to draw like some ears up there, so, and it wants to be like inside, like crossing the line a little bit. And we want one line over here and the other line like over here. And we're gonna want the other ear to be over here. Now those are the ears. So for the mouth, I'm gonna be drawing it like this because I don't know why. It just looks, I'm just gonna draw it like that. And then for the cheeks, you're just gonna draw a big circle over here. Now we are gonna be drawing the body, so make sure the body comes out from here. And it needs to be like short but fat-ish. And now that we're done with that, we'll have to draw the arms out. So just draw like two lines coming out. You can just draw like a line coming out, but I'm gonna do it like that. And then you're gonna wanna make 3 fingers. So you're gonna want like you wanna make like sort of like French fries. Oh my God, okay. And you're gonna do the same with the other arm. Okay. So I'm almost done with it. So technically, So technically, it's gonna look like this when you're done with the arms. And then for the feet, you'll want one of them like this. Like it's gonna be like a French fry. And then we're gonna need to draw like a foot. And for the other one, don't draw it inside the body. Like draw it here. Oh my god, that foot looks small. Okay. Okay, now you are gonna need to draw the tail. So just draw a squiggly line. So I'm actually done for the skin, but for the ears, I'm not done. Well, you can technically just cross that out. Oopsie daisies. So this is how the body, like the shirt, should look like. And for the like inside of the eyes should be black. And then the shoes should also be black too. Okay. So this is how it should look like at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!